Hey guys, this is one of them other scanners now. This one is a realistic Pro, or I should say Radio Shack Pro-66. This is another one of those lovely scanners that apparently there are no modifications for whatsoever. This one being a 50 channel with 800 megahertz with the regular band breaks and whatever. And just looking at the boards here. This is the receiver of it, the receiver section of it, and of course the display keypad processor section of the scanner. Looking at the board, there's nothing here that really jumps out at you as such, except for one really, actually there's a couple parts on this board that kind of jumps out a little bit. So we got one over here. So where is a, okay, maybe not. Okay, let's forget that one. Right here. So we have a position here that's not populated between that pad and that pad. And if I put a resistor across here, all the ones that's on there now are all marked 102 or 334. So I'm thinking, as I put a 102 in here on this position, I don't know if this will actually give me a feature or not. Will it open up the band? Will it give me a few extra channels? Hard to say what it might do. But I ain't seen anything else on the processor board that could possibly allow you to do anything extra. Other than that, I'm going to populate that part right there and see what. Alright, so I put the SMT resistor. I had a 103, so I stuck that in there. And what that does, that gives 68 to 88 megahertz. 68 to 88. So if you've got a Pro 66, and if you're over in Europe or England or somewhere like that, and your scanner has 68 to 88 and it do not have 29 to 54 megahertz, then looks like all you might have to do is remove, if there is a resistor here, is to remove it from the circuit. So again, that one right there, I added this one. That one there gives me 68 to 88 megahertz, and removing it gives me back 29 to 54 megahertz. So if you have the Pro 66 with that scanner, with that band, and you want 29 to 54, and that resistor is in the circuit, remove it. So that gives you that band. So now I'm wondering what these guys over here does. These four. Because you got this one, you got these four here. These guys here all goes down to the keypad. So I'm curious as to what these four here does. So it'll be the next mod. I might I'll remove this resistor because obviously we don't want the 68 to 88. So what I'll try doing next, I'm going to remove this 334, this resistor here, and see what happens with that removed. Curious if this scanner could have more channels or whatever. So obviously there's something here that's on the 800 megahertz that band that's blocking certain segments. So what might they be? Or what might be causing that? What might they have added to stop it from doing that? Because you also got three over here as well. These three. Especially this one. But I'm going to go out on a limb, because if that's where the band, if that's where one trick is, there's probably more in this general vicinity. So I'm thinking these four here might have something to do with setting the bands. So that's my next plan of attack. I'm going to remove a couple of those, see what that does. Anyway, stay tuned. We'll keep playing with the Pro-66 and see if we can't trick this thing. Get some mods for this scanner. Hey guys, so I tried removing that resistor there. That didn't make any difference. I removed this inductor here. It didn't make any difference. I tried removing this resistor over here. It made no difference. The only thing that made any difference whatsoever is when I had the resistor put right there. Give you 68 to 80 megahertz. But that appears to be all this is going to give you. Could get a bit of a scan increase if you changed out this crystal here. You can get might be able to get it goes faster. Change this one out. But other than that, I am not seeing anything else here that could do anything else with this scanner. So that's the only mod that I could find for this particular scanner. Anyway, folks, that's the Radionuts Pro-66. It's a 68 to 88 megahertz band modification. That's about it. Anyway, folks, I'll say 7-3, and we'll chat later. And if I find anything else about this scanner, I'll do an update video. But until then, the Pro-66 is still going to remain a mystery for now. 7-3, folks.